Hi all, welcome to the CA classroom. Now this video is only for CA foundation students and a challenge they are going through. Other students know exam is not held, so it's postponed, they know what to do. CA foundation students exam is scheduled for June 24th, 2021, but they are not sure if exams will happen. So every day I at least get one message which reads like this. Sir, I used to study before 10 to 12 hours a day. I used to aim for a rank. Things were going well for me, but the last 2 to 3 weeks, things are not going well for me. I'm not even able to study 2 to 3 hours a day, or maximum 4 to 5 hours a day. I'm able to study. Focus is not there. I'm getting scared. Exam is coming close. What to do? Now, first thing I want to tell you, this is something every student who's writing CA foundation is going through. It is not just you. Remember, everyone are going through this. And even if I had to study for CA foundation, if I was a student today, considering the current scenario, it is normal. So first, do not stress that things are not going right for you. If things are not going right for you, it is normal. If somebody is able to sit and study 20 to 12 hours a day, even now, every day with focus, hats off to them. Good, keep doing it. If you're able to pull it off, brilliant, keep doing it. But 90% of the students fall in the category like me, where they'll also be undergoing stress. What to do? Things are not going right. Now, what should I do? What should I do now? Things are not going for me. I will simply tell you two things. One, simple, you have to pass the exam. It is not going to be free pass for you, but I completely understand it's going to be hard for you to study what now for 10 to 12 hours a day. So what you do first, prepare your mind that it is going to be hard to focus the way you have to, but you cannot completely ignore the books and go see TV or watch movies. So first, take a break. You might be feeling guilty that all these days, last 7 to 10 days or 15 days, I didn't study properly. Even though you will tell, sir, I'm already in break only, sir. Prepare your mind, take a break, minimum 1 to 2 days, or take the weekend off. Take the weekend off. Make your mindset, I'm going to refresh myself in these 2 days. Go watch some nice movie in your house. Obviously, there's nothing outside. Refresh yourself or do something which you like. Take a break. Next, before the end of the break, make a new plan. Make a new plan that if exams are going to happen on June 24th, I already explained previously, my opinion, it will not happen, but suddenly if COVID cases drop, ICA decides to conduct the exam, you should be ready. So if exam is going to happen on June 24th, or even if it is not going to happen on June 24th, write some mock exams that day, mock exam on June 24th from some academy of your choice, so that you will know that on June 24th, I have an exam to take. If not ICA exam, some mock exam. What is the advantage of mock exam? Taking mock exam, you will get some benefit. You will know where you stand. When you make your new plan, ensure you plan for only 5 to 7 hours of study a day maximum. It's okay. You can't study 10 to 12 hours. I completely understand. Bring it down. Focus on areas you are weak. In maths, you might be weak in some topics. I would have never studied English till now. I would have never studied LLP Act, the Companies Act. Improve your knowledge. Keep improving your knowledge. Do something useful. Don't sit idle. That is one thing. Second, I'll tell you a small comfort zone story. To move to a new level in life, to move to an upper extreme, you have to go through difficulties and you have to sacrifice. No doubt for you guys, it is more difficult than every other student, but you have to sacrifice. Small story, a baby is there, say 1 or 2 years old baby. Baby is crawling. If the baby wants to start walking, including you, me, and everybody else, the baby will try to slowly crawl and then slowly start trying to walk. Baby will fall down multiple times and the baby will hurt himself or herself. Baby will undergo pain. Baby will have pain. Baby has to sacrifice certain things. To move from a lower comfort zone, from crawling to walking, a higher comfort zone, you have to undergo a step-by-step growth process and hard work. It is no doubt. You have to go through it, no matter how difficult it is. For anything in life, to learn how to drive a car, to learn how to drive a bike, to learn new skill. So I want to go to gym and build a good body. To do anything, to move from lower comfort zone, in simple job, I want to get promotion and get higher salary. Now I'm getting 8 lakhs. I want to get 10 lakh salary. If you want to get a promotion, you have to come out of your comfort zone. Sitting in your comfort zone, nothing will happen. Today, I understand we don't even have a comfort zone. We are in a pandemic, it's difficult. So you don't even have a comfort zone to stay. I completely empathize with you how difficult it will be, but no other option. We will all get through this together and come out. I am making this video for you to understand that you are not alone going through this. We are all in this together. But only one request I have for you is don't give up. Stay in it, keep fighting. Even if it is 2 hours per day, it is well and good. Instead of not studying, stay in there, stay strong, but stay safe, and you will come out stronger. You will clear the exams, and exams will take place. If not June 24th, someday it will take place and you will write. Whenever it happens, you will pass. CA journey is going to be difficult. Mentally, it is more difficult than the exam itself. So be strong. This will make you a better person when you go out. After 5 years, after 10 years, you will advise your juniors. That day you will realize. But today, stay strong and get through this. For any doubts, any clarification, any study plan, I don't know what to do, sir, I'm finding difficult, always you can WhatsApp me. I will help you out. Call or WhatsApp. This is my number, 75501372779. Always there to help you guys. So all the best for your exams. Good luck.